Good morning, traders. Happy weekend. I hope everyone had a great and safe Halloween and enjoyed the full moon and all the crazy stuff that's going on. Before we get started, I just want to remind everybody that anything I say, shows, or do is for education and informational purposes only. Again, my name is Carl Silverstein, and I am a equity trader. I pretty much trade full-time in the stock market, and I'm on a journey with you to see if I could make $100,000 from a couple of $1,000 investment over the course of the year. So what happened this week? As you all know, I am big on Amazon, and earlier in the week I showed this what looks like a cup and handle formation. Here's the cup, here's the handle. Started to break out over here out of this bullish channel, and then we had 1, 2, 3 days it went up, and then what happened? The pattern broke. It's a cup and handle until it is no longer a cup and a handle, and it broke, and along with the rest of the market it came crashing down. The earnings were spectacular. It just blew away expectations, and this could be expected. Amazon is one of the few companies that has been building up for this time for years. Their investment in infrastructure, into one-day delivery, they have technology they'll be rolling out eventually on drone delivery. Can you imagine one of their trucks driving up and a whole fleet of drones take off and deliver all the packages out to the local businesses and homes? I mean, these are very interesting things, and they're very good at trying new things. They're not afraid to experiment. But anyway, let's go back to the chart. So here we have a lot of volume, a lot of selling volume. We have a lot of things going on. We have the election, which nobody knows what's going on. We have the stock. If we roll out the chart a little bit, it's up a lot for the year. I mean, it's up from down from 1,700 to over 3,000. But, until recently, the PE ratio was about 119. Now it's down in the 70s. That is, in my opinion, not going to last forever. The company is made for this. People are not going out. In all the countries in Europe where they've been expanding, we're having lockdowns. Recently, in Paris, there was a 430-mile backup of people trying to get out of the city because they're locking down the city. You're not going to go to supermarkets. You're not going to go to department stores. You're not going to the mall. Amazon is built, the infrastructure in place to make sure life goes on, and people getting adapted. They're getting used to. They're changing their patterns of their shopping. So Amazon is here. So my objective is, and if you look at the previous video, I did mess up on Friday. I should have taken the small profit that I had, but no, I let it go. I took over an $800 loss on Friday. So I am only up a couple of grand on my account. My goal is from when I started in August to go 1 year to see if I can make $100,000. So far I was up over $3,000. Now I'm up about $2,000. So we stepped a few feet back. Now, I don't know about next week in trading. It's going to be very, very volatile. So I'm going to sit and see what happens during the week to see if I'm going to take any trades on Amazon in this account on Friday. I'm going to see what's going on. I do expect, now if we look down here at this is the stochastics, it's way oversold. Look at the CCI, it's way down here. I mean, it's just way oversold. We want to see it start hinging up. So I think Monday, maybe Tuesday, we're going to see a little bit uptrend in the market, but who knows? I don't know what's going to happen. It's too, a lot of people I know have went to all cash positions because they're just afraid. So times like this make opportunity. So we're going to sit on the sidelines, we're going to see what's going on, and I'll give you an update on my account too, probably beginning of the week, and we'll take it from there. Again, people, trade safe, use your brain, think of what you're doing, have a plan. Things are not going to go well 100% of the time. Like with me on Friday, I had weeks of success. I made one stupid choice on Friday and I lost some money. Is it the end of the world? No. Anytime you have a setback, you're like, oh, I shouldn't do this, or oh, this is too hard, or I'm going to lose everything. No, you have to learn from your mistakes and press on. I mean, one of the things I feel is like, why should I do this? I mean, this is just, I mean, sometimes it's stressful. But no, learn and move on and become very disciplined in what you're doing. Again, have a great weekend. What's left of it, adios.